Hey guys, so I had to grab my phone. I had to grab my phone to record because my camera died, which is so fucking annoying. So I was doing the unboxing for the closure. As you can see, the 4x4 closure. But like I said, it's so annoying because there's a tag stuck on there. So, if you're not careful, you might rip the lace trying to get this stupid net off. But yeah, so this is the closure, 16 inches. It has a very nice, ooh, has a very nice color to it and a nice like shine. But you know what, sometimes with hair like this, when it's super nice and shiny when you first get it, it winds up being the most fucked up hair ever. So it's very neat too, like there's no stray hairs. It's pretty flat and organized. It's gonna be really easy to bleach these knots. I like 4x4 closures because like I'm not the queen of frontals yet, but I'm working on it. So a 4x4 closures are like a little like baby frontals in a sense, because you could do a little baby here with a 4x4 closure, but you're not gonna have the sides and everything. Yeah, so as you can see, this hair is Brazilian. It's Brazilian loose wave from Beauty Forever Hair. This is a 16-inch closure. I didn't bring a ruler, but look at those. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that body, baby. Let me take a pause from the unboxing. So basically, someone from the company reached out to me via email, and a bitch was geeked because I've never had a company reach out to me. So I was like very, very happy that somebody was willing to like work with me or whatever. So I'm like, oh my god, like this is my first like sponsored video, okay? And I'm like super duper honest when I give my reviews. I try to keep it a buck. I try to be as realistic as possible, and I try not to lie, because I know when I be buying hair, oh, my hands is ashy. When I be buying hair based off of like people's reviews and the hair be fucked up, I be so fucking mad, like, because nobody has money out here to waste. Like, I know I don't know about y'all, but a bitch like me does not have it to waste. So I try to be very thorough with my reviews, and I also try to be very realistic because I know that people be wanting to get their new weave, but you may not always have money for new weave. You may have phone bill money that you want to use on new weave, but you're trying to be responsible and shit, so you pay your phone bill. Yeah, so the company reached out to me, and I was just like so happy or whatever. Honestly though, I'm not gonna lie, when they first reached out to me, I was like, who the fuck is this? Like, I was a little skeptical, like, is this a scam? So I was looking on YouTube and stuff and trying to see like if anybody else had any like weird interaction or whatever, and I couldn't find any videos about it. So I'm like, you know what, let me just follow through and see what happens, and if it's a scam, I'm gonna make a video about it. If not, yay me. So basically it turned out not to be a scam. So the company sent me money via PayPal to purchase hair from their Amazon store. We had like a little miscommunication, but then we worked it out. So I'm not gonna say they were bad to work with. Like, they were very nice and they were very patient, and I'm just so humble and so gracious to have been able to work with anybody, So yeah, I got the funds. When the funds cleared on PayPal, I went and ordered the stuff off of Amazon. I ordered the 16-inch 4x4 closure and the Brazilian loose wave. So it feels like I don't know, it feels pretty good. It does feel really nice, I'm not gonna lie, but all new hair feels really nice. You never really notice shit until you actually fucking put it into a wig. This 4x4 closure came separate from the bundles. The bundles came in this cute little box, and I love it. It was just so cute because it's like, oh, beauty forever, bitch. Ow. Nah, it came in this box, so I was like, what up, welcome to my world. Inside the box is just like this. Is pretty, just thrown in there. I mean, they could have put a little tissue paper or something to like make it look a little classy or whatever, But niggas just, I guess niggas ain't trying to waste no more extra business money. So all three of the bundles, this is how they look. Boom, boom, boom. And I told you guys they're all 16 inches. So it's in this little baggie like this. They have the little label up here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a label there. And there's also a rubber band. I don't know why they do that. They put a rubber band on the outside of the bag. I guess that's probably to keep it from... I don't know what the fuck. I don't know why they do that. That shit don't add up to me. Because I can't get the shit off. It's just something else to stress me out. So... Booyah. This is the first bundle that I'm opening up. It's very pretty. Look how nice they look on my skin. Like, I'm a little tree top, short and stout. Remember in middle school when your mom used to put you with the little ponytails like, Duh, I got a dick on my head. Like, Ma, why is you putting these stupid ass hairstyles in my hair? This also comes in a little net. All the hair, so the closure and the bundles are all Brazilian loose wave. And I can't, these nets, this shit right here, mad hard to get off. Like, get the fuck out of here. I know it's for protection, but damn. So this is the bundle of 16 inches. And that's another thing. So, boom. I keep saying boom. I'm so ghetto. So, basically, the company, they have a budget that they keep for, like, I guess, YouTubers or whatever. I don't know. But, basically, the minimum was $150. And I'm like... A bitch can't get jiggy with no $150. I mean, I could get jiggy on Ally if I got the right vendor, but like, you know, I was humble, so I didn't complain and I didn't ask for more money to purchase the hair, and I didn't ask, like, you know, I wasn't like being a bitch about things. You know, I was very humble and happy, so I took what they offered me. I went ahead and ordered 3/16 because that was like, if I got 3/16, the minimum they gave me was like $150. So I ordered 3 16-inch bundles and the 16-inch closure, and that was like about $140 something. I don't know. I usually don't wear hair this short, honestly. Like, a bitch like me need at least 20 inches, okay? So this is gonna be very different for me when I make it. I don't know how I'm gonna style this, but I am excited to make the wig. But like I said, look at this. This hair has a lot of bounce. Let me see. The ends don't look too fucked up. The ends actually look really... The ends look really, really moisturized and like together. Anyways, this hair looks so fucking short. I'm not sure. I mean, stretched out, it probably is 16. But when you let it go, it looked like a good 12 inches or so. 14, 12 inches. But yeah, so it's not really shedding as I'm running my fingers through. You guys could see. Not really shedding. It's very thick. I will say that. Like, this thing is heavy. I'm trying to let y'all get off. I like the curls. As I'm running my finger through it, I feel like for some reason the way this hair feels, it's so thick that I feel like this hair is gonna be like oily or something. Just because, I don't know, I did just put some moisturizer on my hand, so maybe that's why, but it does feel kind of thick to the point where it's going to contain a lot of oil or moisture. These curls that are in the hair at the bottom, like the loose wave curl, it's probably going to be annoying to deal with if you wanted to have the hair straightened, but I think that if you're going to just wear it in its natural state, it's going to be really nice and fluffy and bouncy, because that's what it's giving me. But like I said, you don't really know the hair until it actually comes out of the package and you actually have it on your head in 80-degree weather, what have you. I'm going to go ahead and open up the other bundles just so you guys can see. We could compare the quality. Here we go again with this fucking stupid ass rubber band. It's another thing to fucking annoy me. So this one also is in a net. I live in the hood, y'all, if y'all didn't notice. Hear the sirens in the background. And yes, this one looks very nice. And ooh, this one actually feels a lot softer than the other one. Like, the other one was very soft, but this one feels like, oh my god. Nah, this one feels very like suavemente. But the ends on this one feel a little more, I'm not gonna lie, the ends on this one feel a little more rough. But from the up until the ends, it's very soft and it's extremely bouncy. Look at this. This thing is set. All I gotta do is finger coil it and we're back in business. It's very bouncy. So is my arm fat. Okay, that one looks pretty good too. Let's do a length check. It's about the same. It's about the same as the other one. Ultimately though, like, I feel like I'm gonna make a nice unit with this. It feels, the texture of this hair, it feels very, I don't know if it's human for sure, like if it's 100% human. It claims to be. But just based off of my experience with different weaves from like AliExpress vendors, like usually none of that shit is actually really human hair. It's like upgraded pack hair. It's like human hair mix. I feel like it's like human hair mix. Yeah, so you can get some decent hair from AliExpress, but will it be 100% human? I highly doubt it. Because eventually all that shit starts fucking up. You know, whether the ends start getting choppy or whether the hair starts bunching together, you know, there's always fucking something. I mean, you could buy Ali hair if you travel a lot, you like to change your hair a lot. Ali is like affordable if you like to change your hair a lot. Here we go. We have the third bundle. This one is just so pretty. It's just as pretty as the others. It's super bouncy. That coil, the coil form that it originally came in, it's like stuck in that form. So look, when I finger coil it, right back. Right back. This one, like the second one that I unboxed, it also is very like slick and it feels much more lightweight than the first one that I opened. But they both are kind of heavy, you know what I mean? Like, they feel kind of thick. Like, look at that. For one bundle, that's pretty weighty. But once again, we also have to consider the fact that it's 16 inches. So most likely I'm gonna straighten this hair because I kind of love wearing my hair straight, but I don't like to buy straight hair because straight hair is just like, I don't know, straight hair to me, I don't really like the texture of it. I like Brazilian hair. It's a little more coarse, you know. When you straighten Brazilian like body wave hair, it looks like fucking Indian. That shit look banging. That shit looks nice when you straighten it. Let's just go back into this closure. It's a 3-part closure. The knots are not bleached. Just let you guys see what it looks like. And here's just another close-up of it. It's very neat. Like, no straight hairs at all. This shit is on point. These guys are professional. I will give you that. Like, they're a very professional company. And they don't fuck around. I mean, I like them. Shit, they chose to work with me. So I'm happy that they are inclusive of small YouTubers and not just only big YouTubers. But like I said, I haven't made the hair into a unit yet. I plan on making it into a unit. I'm not going to do it as a sew-in. I'm just looking forward to actually being able to come back to you guys and let you guys know how I like it, where I stand with it, and, you know, all that. And like I said, these 3 bundles and this closure was about $145 on Amazon at the Beauty Forever hair store. You guys will be able to find the link to all the information. If you want to go and purchase for yourself, you'll be able to find it in the description box. And just be sure to comment and let me know what you guys think, because I would love to have some feedback on what you guys have experienced with this hair company, because there's mixed reviews on YouTube, you know. So thanks for tuning into my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, holla at your girl. And be sure to check out my other videos. Okay? Bye.